Europe on a shoestring, feast like royalty, pay like a... Well, you get it. Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so stoked you're here because today we're tackling a topic near and dear to my heart, traveling Europe without emptying your bank account. I remember being a student, ramen budget and all, dreaming of cobblestone streets and ancient castles. The problem? My wallet was screaming no. But I was determined. I spent months researching, digging for deals, and learning the secrets to budget travel. And guess what? I did it. And you can too. Seriously, these are a lifesaver. Most major European cities offer free walking tours led by knowledgeable locals. You'll get a fantastic overview of the city, learn about its history, and often get insider tips on the best cheap eats. Plus, it's a great way to meet other travelers. Just remember to tip your guide if you enjoyed the tour, they work hard. Forget fancy restaurants every night. Embrace the art of the picnic. Head to a local market, grab some fresh bread, cheese, olives, and maybe a bottle of local wine. Find a scenic park or riverside spot, and bam! You've got a delicious and affordable meal with a view. It's way more authentic than any tourist trap. Many restaurants in Europe offer amazing lunch deals. They're often significantly cheaper than dinner, but the portions are just as generous. Keep an eye out for Menu del Dia in Spain or similar lunch specials in other countries. You can often get a multi-course meal for a fraction of the dinner price. Supermarkets are your secret weapon. Stock up on snacks, drinks, and breakfast items to avoid those expensive cafe stops. Look for local brands, they're usually cheaper and often just as good, if not better, than the big international names. Plus, you get to try new things. If you're staying in hostels or Airbnb apartments with kitchen facilities, take advantage of them. Cooking your own meals is a huge money saver. Find local markets for fresh ingredients and try your hand at recreating some of the dishes you've tried in restaurants. It's a fun way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Happy hour isn't just for cocktails. Many bars offer discounted drinks and snacks during certain hours. It's a great way to sample local beers and wines without breaking the bank. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to socialize and meet new people. Tourist traps are notorious for overpriced, mediocre food. Venture off the beaten path and explore the local neighborhoods. Ask locals for recommendations on their favorite cheap eats. You'll often find hidden gems serving authentic and delicious food at a fraction of the tourist prices. Don't underestimate the power of street food. From falafel in Berlin to crepes in Paris, street food is a delicious and affordable way to experience local cuisine. Just make sure to choose vendors with long lines, that's usually a good sign of quality and freshness. So there you have it. My top tips for eating like a king and spending like a pauper in Europe. Remember, travel isn't about luxury, it's about experiences. With a little planning and these budget-friendly hacks, you can have an incredible European adventure without emptying your bank account. Now go out there and explore. Don't forget to subscribe where to next for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!